it started, so we can just crop this out.
Okay, so first of all, in our procedure, we had a beaker of water, and we had 3 beakers of water. One was in room temperature, one was in a heated incubator, and one was in a cold refrigerator. So in each of the beakers of water, this is the process that happened between the zinc and tin and water. So first of all, the zinc was placed in the water, and the equation for that was Sn goes to Sn2 plus 2 electrons, and then the water had a equation of O2 plus 2H2O plus 4 electrons going to 4HO negative. And so this would be the oxidation, because on the chart it is more likely to be oxidized due to its reactivity, and the water is the reduction because it's more likely to be reduced on the chart due to its reaction. And so from the oxidation, the electrons are being lost. So 4 electrons are coming from the zinc to the water. And so this process is happening millions and millions of times throughout the time that our beaker was sitting, but this process is happening more times due to the fact that it has 4 electrons and this one only has 2 electrons. So this is the first step to what happens in the beaker. And now on to the second step, where we add zinc. So again, the beaker and the water. Now, zinc is more likely to be reduced than tin, and so therefore it happens in the second phase. So we have the zinc here as Zn2 plus 2 electrons, and now the tin turned into an ion in the last process. So instead of being in the atom form, it is now in the ion form. So we're going to write it up here as an ion. So this is the reduction, and this is the oxidation now. So therefore, this is losing its electrons, and these electrons are going into the zinc, which is being reduced. And again, this process happens millions and millions of times throughout the time our beaker sat.